If you remember the boarding number 118, we are pleased to facilitate your boarding procedure. Please remain seated until your boarding group number is full. Check your boarding pass for your group number and please have your individual boarding pass and passports ready for scanning at the gate. Cebu Pacific Flight 5.
Boarding 8106 for your immediate boarding.
You're feeling completed, thank you.
Next our L4 door. Caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bin to prevent items from falling off. Thank you. Pinakikiusapan po lamang namin your baggage under the seat in front of you or the stowage bins above you. Should need assistance, please not hesitate to call on any of your cabin crew. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific Lipad bilang 5J828 patungong Osaka, Japan. Kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipad, maaari po lamang natawagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew. Mangyari po na ilagay ang inyong daladalahan sa ulo ng kompartamento o sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Kung kailangan ninyo ang aming tulong, huwag po kayo mag-atubili, kami ay tawagin. Salamat po. Once again, may request everyone to carry safeguard all items, especially hard objects such as flask, tumblers, and electronic devices.
Northerly direction covering a total track distance of 2,700 kilometers and we shall be cruising up to our final planned altitude of 39,000 feet. Weather alert is forecasted to be general fair, however, after 1 hour.
If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you. Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi nyo magagampanan ang mga panang
Grab your doors for departure and cross-check.
のご使用はフィリピンの航空法で禁じられております。電池が兼ね
prohibited by law.
シートベルト着用のサインが消灯されましたが、
kayo po ay mag-uuwi ng papremyo mula Cebu Pacific. Guest bound for Osaka, if you are ready, let's begin. For my first question, everyone knows the answer to this question. So this is about the quickest hand to raise, and the first question would be, who is the friendliest ghost? Okay, we have a fast hand here in Zone A. How about also in Zone B and Zone C? Okay, congratulations everyone. The correct answer is of course the ring. Thank you everyone for participating. For the meantime, record found in your seat pockets. Thank you.
Currently, we are still cruising at 39,000 feet, and we are approximately 680 kilometers southwest of Nansei International Airport in Osaka, Japan.
onboard in Osaka, Japan. The local time is 6 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening, and there's an hour time difference between Manila, Philippines and Osaka, Japan. Osaka being ahead. The ground temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight and crew, Captain Ferdinand Rosimo and First Officer Aaron Bernabe, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
We are just waiting for the aircraft in front of us to move forward before we can proceed to our base assignment for proper disembarkation. Kindly remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Thank you. Cabin crew disarm doors for arrival cross-check.
Passengers, please remain seated. This is a cabin crew safety-related procedure. Manatili po munang nakaupo. Thanks for waiting. It is now safe for you to stand to get your bags. Maaari na po kayo tumayo para kunin ang mga kagamitan.
Thank you po.
Hello everybody, we are arrived in Japan in the airport, so yeah.
Welcome to Japan.
Welcome to Japan, yes indeed. Bye bye.